I'm an only child, and I had, I don't know if it was the fortune or the unfortune to be born a kind of Wunderkind. I learned to read and write when I was about 2 or 3, and many languages, because everybody spoke different languages around me. And I was never interested in anything manual, and besides I was totally untalented in that too, except that I'm a good cook. But otherwise I'm the most unpractical person in the world. And if I hadn't been a girl guide most of my life, I probably wouldn't have acquired any skills in that department. But thankfully I did some. I was born in a very Jewish home. And my father was so glad that I was a girl. And he always voted for women whenever there was anybody to vote for in his party. And he had the greatest respect for women. And he was very practical. He could sew and knit. He did it with great pleasure. And he was very skilled also with his hands, all kinds of artifacts, very artistic. And my mother was, in my youth, or in my very young years, she was a businesswoman. And she was a businesswoman. But she was the kindest mother, the best mother. And I had a very happy childhood. I had also all kinds of family around me. So I was very fortunate in that respect. And it was so natural to be Jewish, it was never questioned. Never. We were sort of normal Jews. No fanaticism. Respect for Jewish values, ethical and moral values, very important. But also modern intellectual Judaism.